unsa din nindot nga kuan kung ang budget ako ingani lang nga amount?
Yeah.
Is that even the right question?
Of
Ano
course.
ba?
Yes.
Ano ba?
That is a very valid question. Because again, there are two school of thoughts. One coming from those who have really excess funds to spend, no?
Oh.
Of course, when you have excess funds to spend, your natural mind, the mindset Nemo tendency is to always go for the best, which is of course currently it's always Rolex, it's always Audemars Piguet, the Holy Trinity, which appeal Vacheron Constantin, kunya Richard Mille, mga kuan ba? Mga big brands.
Okay.
But the big brands ng gold, aside from being unattainable to a lot, the law of supply and demand po, the production is also very it's very low. So, one, magkamahal yun siya. Ikalawa po, when you have those kind of watches, you will never get to enjoy other brands almost with the same caliber, because in history of watchmaking and on horology, there are so many brands with better pedigrees that have better history.
Napili lang yan ang kamahal po. Not because...
Oh, equally. And there are even less. Sometimes the watches that I want to get are people na kanang dili ma-pronounce sa mga tao. Mao na yung pinakanilo sa uban. Breguet, na ay Frederic Constant. Nagkanigig kayo. And the moment you enjoy wearing Rolex, snap naman ka din ang kamatang sa katuban. So ma-miss out na niyo ang enjoyment.
Yes. Kaya yung ano lang is kung maka-afford,
Yes.
medyo nalisod na inoon ko sa akong perception sa being a collector. Kung being a collector, ikaw, being one yourself, saan mo pag-start?
I would always approach it twice. Again, two school of thought. One with a lot of excess money to spend with,
Yes.
and one who is starting. And one for me who was earnestly started collecting by my own money. I have to start from barato and then slowly moving up according to my taste. According also to what I want, and according also to my research na kung sa'yo maayo nga brand, every time I move up.
Okay. Pero unsa man to yung first nga watch?
The first watch that was mechanical that was given to me, expensive of course, was the hand-me-down Rolex.
Okay. So,
My daily at that time, I think I was in college, was Seiko 5. And then Seiko 5.
Psycho din na siya?
Seiko or Seiko?
Psycho na mga pa-ultimo.
Hindi, I know. So Seiko or Seiko.
Pero saan yung sakto nga pronunciation?
American, it's Seiko, but it's
Seiko na lang.
Asian, especially in Southeast Asia, it's Seiko.
Okay. Psycho. Psycho ang ikaduhan ng mga...
Seiko.
Level up na to siya sa Rolex.
Seiko 5 was very cheap at that time. But I think that was one of my first purchase sa akong balatot ayo nga paycheck. And then after that, moving forward, so pamanto. First ako expensive na purchase here was a Philips time. Na itong kuan, dual time. Na when I started traveling, na kuan siya, kanang two time zones. So, ang babaw, pwede mother time zone nato sa Philippines, nagato na kung US, time zone sa US. No, so, mga 100 plus po to, 150, 170. Pero move out ko siya because I was still working. And then afterwards, wala na ko kahimbaw.
Kaya na kayo.
Oo, basta kada travel na ko or anything that warrants me or allows me to buy something, especially kung birthday na ko, or travel ko nga would mark that occasion na this is my first travel here. Niya ako ang ipa-engraven sa likod.
Di ba na magkupa ang value na na? Mas
Dili na.
baby.
Kana lagi mga spot of thoughts nga usahay nga ayaw pa ko
Pero nailingon na nga, ay pa engrave, yung magawas, ay mo minimize, maubos ang
if your sa tawag niya, if your goal in life is to collect, sell. Pero kung kolekta lang ko niya, I want this to be remarkable for me. I'd like to put an inscription kung unsa na date o kung diin nga country na po na palit. Kaya as I get older, di ako remember.
Yes. Memories.
Yes.
Ay mo makita na.
Yeah.
Maling mas pasok. Kung saka pa yun ang value.
Yes, true. Actually, the irony with watches is uban lagi nga ingon ay di kana mga RM din na ako gamiton kay mamagaras ana. But kaning mong watches good, they're like people ba? Yes, you invest in them, but their value increase even more. It's because you were able to wear them. They will always have micro scratches, and that's a good thing because it means that the owner valued that watch so much because he wore it with him. Ako di mo pumagot na ma-scratch niya.
Ano? Ang ubod mo, palit na ako G-Shock para pa magkatuloy mo. Ang sketch ka.
That's a very wrong way of approaching watch enthusiasm.
Oh.
You're not a watch enthusiast if you're gonna keep your watches in the box.
Hindi, kaya mo mas labas ba yung
Find time to rotate it. Find time. Ako, I have more than 20 watches. So, liso dagay kong rotate mo.
Depende kung unsay mo. Medyo kaya kaniha mo sa katulong kuryoso ko ito. Kaningon ka na kumakita ka sa tao, kaning klase nga watch and isalo, may ka, ano siya na tao.
Yes.
So makakita ka sa character. Wala kayo ma-idea na.
An idea that this guy knows watches.
Okay.
Na dili lang siya, dili lang siya hype ba?
Okay. Dili ingon na. Ing-ani ka nga personality tungkol kay you bought this kind of watch.
Pwede siya. Pwede siya.
Ano ako masulog ko nito? Pwede ko ma-judge.
Kaya ako sa, I've been judged po niya, amigo na ko. He said, the first time I saw you with that watch, kabalo ko nga, I just needed to approach to you and talk to you about watch. Because more or less, sa akong pangagpas, kabalo ka about watch. Ano siya masayo? Nagkamigo din ng bayo.
Ano ba? Kinsa may nagtudlo ni mo ana boss?
Wala naman. It's just that ako hindi kong auto, ikaduha po. I think anything mechanical, so may transition ko into watch, kaya mechanical man sa siya.
Oo. Pero unsa may mong kurso sa una?
Kung ano ko, BSBA and Economics, double major.
Layo sa watch.
Layo siya sa pero
So, imo personal yun, imo personal.
Fascination.
Okay.
Fascination with watches because di man gyud ta kapalit og time. Time is never, time is infinite. Man kaya ko nga, if you can encapsulate your life in matter of time, it's really just buying watches, enjoying it.
Mas na-appreciate na ko kato yung lingon na i-engrave mo kung when you bought this, where.
But there are watches that I can't engrave ha. Kaya for example, yung ani na ay back display no.
Ay, oo.
Mabuak.
Unsa na yung niluron boss?
Kani, I'm wearing a vintage Oris. So Oris is one of those brands that have stayed loyal and stayed independent as a watchmaker in Switzerland for the longest time, because other brands like Omega, they've been acquired by the Swatch Group to survive the crisis before.
What is yung makakuha?
So other brands were also acquired by LVMH, owner of Louis Vuitton, to survive this brand. Oris, they survived war, they survived the katuang kuan sa tawag ni digitalization of the watches before. Kaya maong kayo nakapatay sa industry before nga.
Asa sa Omega, katong ito. Sa lahat ito. Ano naman sila matay?
Kung ang naging persistent kayo ang family that owns this, they know what they want, they know and what they like. They stood their ground na sila. So, and it paid off. Oris is very it's very it's a well-known brand in the sense, especially if you're an aviator, because many of the pilots wear pilot watches that are from Oris. Kanya tanipod na particular model, it's called a pointer date. Kabantay ka sa uban nga rin nga ang date nasa Cyclops. These are standard sa ubang rin, di ba? With Oris, known siya nga kuan kana ang pointer date siya. So if you look at the date now, it's marked by a red crescent.
Nasa kuan. Lahi siya, dili siya katong sa
Dili siya.
pitik-pitik.
The reason manggod, sir, nga nung some people don't want the kanang Cyclops is, if you look at the watch, limpyo kayo siya, asymmetrical kayo siya. Kanya imagine na butangan niyo Cyclops sa kilid. Guba, di ba? This is the reason why I love Oris.
Maayo sila mong kuan sa hempod. So kanang crescent ha, mao na
It tells that they
only those who know how to tell to appreciate ko.
what naman na niyan ko, those who know.
Kung yung mga tanong ko sa lolo ni Bumi, kung parang sa date, di ko kay bawo.
So there's a reason why I picked this brand. It's because of the tradition, history, na independent until now, and because of this.
Okay.
Of what we call symmetry. Because kailangan ko limpyo yung watch face.
Okay.
Dili ko ba na-Cyclops?
Kung kuhan kayo, ikot.
Although nasa ko Cyclops.
Pero mas ma-appreciate mo rin.
Mas ma-appreciate ko ani kay very clean man gyud siya. Very clean. And if you want to read the date, isolated by ano siya, crescent na red.
Nakasuwi na ka. I have an idea, or i-assume na ko nga, leaning towards in-ani ang imuhang tubag based on what you shared with me. Kaya na may guyuban, I've had this before. Sa una, dili ko mong sulog og kilo. Same with the laptop and same ba? Mag-meeting ka, tanawon ang imuhang wrist. And then, there were deals na wala makuha. Tungkol kaya I wasn't wearing a watch, or the watch I'm wearing is not something that they expect someone.
Well, these are traditional values. Kung depende sa imong kamit, no? Kung kamit mo boomers, never, for me good, if you're meeting somebody older than me, like somebody in their 60s, 70s for meeting, never gid ko mo wear og kuan. I never go to work wearing digital watch. So my digital watch that keeps up for my health monitoring and fitness tracking, kutob na gina siya sa running na ko o sa gym. When I change and go to work, mechanical watch na ito. Very traditional ko in that sense. Ako, and I appreciate people, and I appreciate dili kayo ko grabe nga kita mo judge compared sa mga older. Karon I would appreciate a lot yun when I go to meetings and people who ask to meet with me wearing a mechanical watch.
Oh.
Ako, to be honest, I would frown upon people wearing a smartwatch in a suit. And again, that's a no-no for me.
Kuan sa kaayo.
Yeah, and there are people good who insist magkuhan sila, mag smartwatch sila kaya it's convenient for them to look at kung ano
Time.
na
Text.
notifications.
Yes, notification.
For me, mga good ka na. For me lang, there's a time for everything. There's a time for you to disconnect.
Sa nakakuan mo ko lang ko. Sakitan na ko na before. Mato sa ako tungod kay ang
But kuan, any mechanical watch should not matter. You should not be judged because one, again, lain-lain man tao panginabuhi in life. Lain-lain man tao ng purchasing power.
sa
So if ang maabot nimo is a psycho Psycho 5 or the Seikos now are really good. There are models now under Seiko that punches its weight beyond their asking price. Yeah, Presage, for the Prospects, the Alpinist, grabe good.
pero pila may budget ano yung ano estimate.
Kuan pod, the Presage model, they go up 25 up.
Oo.
Yeah, but their quality is really good.
Oh.
Yeah, di ka good with
So you can
Seiko.
start with that na kung start to collect.
Oh yeah, and there are a lot of people that I know that are collecting Seikos now.
No, nakita ko ako.
Yeah.
Dagan community
Kanang Seikos niya. Aside from that, napag yung Grand Seiko.
Unsa man sila?
GS, it's called. It's the equivalent of a Rolex. From Seiko. From the mother company of Seiko. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's their kuan siya, mo siya luxury brand sa Seiko.
Good
So it's like a Toyota na ay luxury brand nga Lexus.
Ano sa Toyota?
Yes.
Ingon man ka boss nga you're into EV cars po. Do you have like an EV car or tanan
I
EV?
do. So I'm currently driving a BYD Sea Lion 6. We're one of the first to adopt it in 2024. Ito ang galalis pa mga tao mo. Kaya ba tao Chinese brand today. So me and my friends ni pivot na ganun. Mas kabalo na nga the benefits yun. And then akong father ni sunod. So we have new energy vehicle tulog. So and it's really kuan kanang energy kana ang fuel saving you kay siya biya.
Oh, na-approve na tayo dapat.
I haven't been to a gas station for a very long time.
Pero considering you're good at sales, kanang wala ba kay inuhang kanang maligya ba ka cars with your passion sa
To be honest with you, kung wala ko sa negosyo, I really want to sell cars because I love cars.
Oh,
In fact, me and my friends, kaming ibititos na ko, we can actually sell cars. In fact, sige mi og kana ang kuan. With the influence that we have sa EVTitos, a lot of our friends actually bought their EVs and hybrids because of us.
oh.
Yes.
So wala ka mo venture pa na kuan.
Wala size because again, kami man sa good nga friends, we all of us have our own thing ba business po.
Ay, okay. Oh.
Yeah, we don't also want to compete with our friend who owns BYD.
Pati sa imuhang experience sa sales boss, nag-mention ka ganina na you got yourself into like real estate early on. Was that your original, parang makaingon ka ng passion din ako from the start, to be into real estate?
No, to be honest, Ray, di good.
Kung sa may previous...
After college, the reason why I went to Manila was to become a flight attendant.
okay.
Because I want, at a young age, gusto ko kaglaan. I want to travel.
Tungod lang sa laag?
Yes.
But then,
Yeah, my cousin was already a former flight attendant. So, ayun siya, Arig Manila, kay Pasudlon, tika.
Ano di man pilot, boss?
Di mo sakit kumain mat. Yeah. Di niya taka-take off. So, lisod ang pilot sa Diyon.
Pero nabiya kay Aura, boss, from the start. Na kay Aura nga, murag, limpyo ko ng pwede mga Aura nga kanang lahi ang natingkod mo na pagpambatsigor dahil nga Aura.
Yes,
So, na-maintain yun na mo after bisa pag di naka
That,
FA.
the training that I went through for 6 months, grabe sa to. It's one of those trainings that dili mo makalimutan yun. Kaya after the training, kinandila sa dayong kautuon.
Hindi ko nililo.
Kinandila ang tuon, hindi training niyo. Kinandila tuon kay ang mag-test na pod mo ay almost every day. Ang passing rate should not be less than 80%.
Same ni sa kung sa airline ka?
This was PAL before.
So
I'm hoping, I'm not hoping, but I'm guessing all of the other airlines have caught up sa standards. PAL was taas ng kita standard.
Standard. Oo, gapong standard ka lang. So,
Nalapsan ta gamay. Nalapsan ta. But the training buyag, kuan kita, at para kita, unya, ang misconception yun nako was, bitang kung FA ka, nindot mo sa tanaw.
nindot ito.
So I never knew the training behind it ba nga. Grabe day kayo.
So, sunod ko.
Yes, but my point is, when you're looking at an FA, they're just not merely a face. There are more than that. Actually, so many of them are bright people. Kaya di ko kakapasar, kung di mo makuhaan ko, kung di ka kakapasar sa 80% na magkinandila ka. Kaya kaduhapon, you have to have presence of mind. Okay, ang among training is not just about looking good and everything. It's more about safety.
Okay, sus, kamaro ko rin yung sa likod tao dito. Stas.
Mo na akong nakataunan rin. If ikaw pasahero ka, kunya turbulence, grabe kayo, magtanaw ka sa FA. If ang FA gani mo gagawa, ayaw kahadlok. Kaya ka, train na kayo na sila anak.
So kung mapalik ang FA, panik ka na.
Kung ang FA dyan, nagpanik na, nihilap na panguros na daan.
Oo, pag nunod kita ang FA ng panik.
Yes.
Which is a good thing.
Yes.
So mo sa din mo mo ni mong barometer nga tanong mo FA, relax mo kan kung kaon naman ito sa awalan ni.
Kakurog niya, kakaon.
Oo, wala na.
Kaon niya. Kaon niya. Pero muling ko, galingan niya, gahilak. May mga nagkikalord.
My God. Mga sa Paala na. Kanya, anong ni, kung nindot to dito, anong ni Anto nung
Kuan man to, but it was also that when I got in, that was also when the Asian financial crisis hit Asia. This was 2000, 2001. Major conglomerates, apil ang PAL, were forced to lay off. Kami mong itong batch na kuan, early na nakasoon. So ang policy nila is last in, first out. So mga bago, naturally, balik kong Cebu. I was unemployed in Cebu for 9 months. Welcome to email. So kada adlaw yun. Kada adlaw na po classified ads niya na po kabuo CVE. So after 9 months sud ko trabaho. Thankful for Cebu Holdings, Ayala for giving me the opportunity. That set the tone for me. I never knew nga iplano dahil sa Ginoo ba nga puro na real estate. Pag suwan ako real estate, wala ko kubuhay po na real estate. So until 2006, 2000, yeah, when my parents offered me a seat in the board nga gusto ba ko mo join the family business.
Mga na ko'y pangutana ko. Pero before ko mangutana ko, because of your experience sa real estate, wala ka buhi, so is it safe to assume na you're good at sales?
I will not even say I'm good at sales.
Wait, keep on ka nila. Lisod being in a real estate, no?
Yeah, well,
At least you sold a lot.
yeah. Let's just say I learned a lot.
Learned a lot, but you sold a lot. But,
Yes,
Siyempre,
yes.
oh, sige, mabalik ko din hapon niya. Kay, importante kayong nakita na kung anong sa kakamahay ng sales. No, early
But there are better people in sales than me, ah.
nagkamang klase.
Kanang specialized good sila ba?
Oo. Pero, sa diri sa lugar, ang inyong apelido, inyong family is known. Now, why did you not ask man, or did you ask help from your parents to be, to be employed, to say good word about you? Wala dyan
No,
mo
good. The reason being
Okay.
is that both my parents are already established entrepreneurs.
Yes.
In their height po, in the height of their career, kung po sila na ang glaring po ba? So ako po, I'm thankful na anak ko nila. But at the same time, kung po siya, ang struggle po siya.
Oh, struggle man.
Because I'm the type of person man po lang, di ko ganahan niya. Anak dahil ka ni Kuan, anak, mo di ay, bitaw.
So, you didn't see it as a privilege na mura nung siya ka ng
Sa burden.
out of.
Yes. Because I wanted to create my own identity.
So baka magnegosyo na yun.
Wala.
Okay.
That's the reason why I had to work, because back then, you cannot pay someone to teach you.
Oo.
Unlike now, na pwede ka magpa-mentor, coaching, di ba? Bayaran na mo. Sa atong time, man nga. So the only way for me to know this is to work.
Okay.
So from there, established my own career path, until such time na nagpalayo ko sa shadows ng parents na hinahinay yun. Carl Cabusas. So, Carl Cabusas, anak ka ni Sir Ricky.
Na. But at least, they know you first before associating you sa parents. Dili the other way around.
Yes.
Pero, ikaw
Not that I'm not proud of my parents.
Of course.
It's just that on my own, ganahan yun ko nga mabarong
Ikaw yung name. Noon kasi yung name first.
Yes. Lahi man yun ang achievement nga ka na makabarog ko sa imong magaling tuhod yun.
Okay, people looking from the other side of the fence was makita nimo siya, privilege mo na sila, they have the luxury of time.
Mao nang di gyud ako ganahan boss nga ay mao ding na ingon ana si Carl kay anak sa iya.
Kana. Asa mo to wala ko buko? Ako ba no, tsaka good. Mas may na.
Mo to boss trabaho ko gasuwat sa ko on the side sa newspaper.
Ay bisulti ka.
Yeah,
because kalos ano na siya.
This was I started writing sa newspaper early 2000 when I was in the corporate world po.
Kung sino topic ato ganun?
I was in the business section, motoring. I wrote about motoring.
Ay kuan ka to into motoring na jud ka to into
Balo na ko hilig kag gyud cars. Yeah, that also expanded my kuan network. Kaya na ko yung mga followers po.
What jud gawas jud ka sa imong sa shadow sa imong parents as entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Nagimo jud ka
Then balisad siya. Nigawas ko to build my own name. Nisod ko nga na ko ininda.
Yes. At least asset na kadaan before pag suod din mo sa real estate pagyapan ng parents. If I may ask.
Dili na to real estate kay pag suod na ko ang amo manggong family business at that time po for the longest time we were into money lending. Money lending was also badly hit during financial crisis. So, pivot me na hinay to real estate. So,
Kita may nagpa-pivot ato.
si akong dad nagsugod, and then when I came in dito na ako ni kuan yan ni suggest nga, why don't we try putting up a subdivision with my knowledge. So mao to nga, with the help of my parents po, really thankful for their support. We had our first subdivision, second subdivision nga joint venture, pero talagang without my experience sa corporate world, it would have never been.
Kasi experience ko na.
12 po, 12 years.
12 years?
12 po.
Sa mo na nakatukod dito din mo ha? Nakabuild dito din mo?
Naka-build big amo, but kuan po, kanang, of course, starting from our family good. This would judge siya kay, unlike sa corporate structure, you're backed with a lot of finances. Kami, where we're starting,
May panggawas.
may panggawas.
Pero sa real estate boss, asa ang, if you're to choose, asa nga, about sa mga aspects ng sa real estate businesses, na may commercial, may residential, kung sa panalihan,
We started with residential. And then, sugod mi actually, Ray, sa kuan, during financial crisis mo, a lot of people lost their homes. So, nibalik sila o mga apartments. So, dito may nakabantay ang apartment business was also lucrative.
Yes.
So, hinahinay tukod o mga apartment units. Masold, makuha man, ma-rented out man. No, so, among gitudo na gito. Then after that, after the apartment, mga na tong subdivision na dayon. After subdivision,
Commercial.
kanina dayon, commercial after pandemic.
Kasi mas nindot in terms of income. Safe.
Kuan, in terms of experience and all facets of real estate is good. But mas okay ang commercial and rental income sa leasing.
Okay.
Kung mo siya. Unlike sa mamaligya ka o ang house and lot or lot, hindi mo fully paid, wala nang kilabot.
At least yun,
Very recurring siya.
Natoy na kay sa una dito sa una ng past life no kay nakadingon sa mga real estate agents sa mga industries sa kabanyan natatabang sa buwan pero they're saying nagka-lisod na puno ng real estate kay daghan kaayong available pero wala na kayong muyo. Is that true or belief?
True in the sense na before let's just say before 3 years ago when the market was okay, the developers were busy gyud kanaan with their development. Tukod. Yeah. Here comes 3 years ago man nibati atong ekonomiya, people started stop buying properties kaya nakamahal man sa. So karon we have so much nagid daghang surplus.
Lagi.
Tinuod yun na. Ay daghang surplus. Ang kuwang is ang mamalitay.
Pero nakatabang ba ni Airbnb nga model?
Well, the Airbnb model before the crisis, even before pandemic, really helped the industry, the real estate industry. Kaya we were seeing a lot of tourist influx man to Cebu. So those who wanted to stay longer, cheaper, would have another platform to go to aside from the hotel stay. So which Airbnb provided. Karon after pandemic si Airbnb stricto sad. Other countries have also clamped down on Airbnb. Yes, other Asian countries that I know, especially Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong, it's because Airbnb to a point ni-clash na sila sa ilang local chain nga mga hotel operators.
Di ba, mao mo na ilang di ko ano ta,
Yes.
mga disruptor sila sa ina na industry. So,
But you have
nakakos.
to understand, ang local chain operators sa hotels in these countries, ni put up yan silang structure, investments. Whereas ang Airbnb,
Wala.
unit na biya, in a in a developed condominium.
Yung so mo biyay gyud sila. Kaya dako
Ipahin
na
sila. No.
invest.
So there are already Asian countries with regulations on booking Airbnb, especially especially Korea and Japan now. There are certain high-end condominiums, di siya pwedeng Airbnb.
Sunod na din yung limitations na
During the earlier years, bago pa, wala pa to.
kusog kayo. Pero ni anak mo gud ang hotel.
Kita sa doon, ang Airbnb, pareha sa atong hotel industry, mubok gyud kayo because we don't have, our tourism industry is so bad to begin with. We don't have a good traction on tourists, especially kanabitang tourists that are kanabitang good spending tourists. Wala mga tulog. They're in what? They're in Thailand right now. They're in Vietnam right now because Vietnam offers more solid value pack and culturally rich experience compared to us.
Can businesses as MSMEs or kanang local businesses nato diri, can they help with the tourism?
Actually, it's the other way around. We need to reignite tourism good. Kami sa Chamber of Commerce, mga president sa Cebu, we're helping each other good to ignite the tourism sector because we believe that tourism is a catalyst good.
Yes.
For everything. Kung daghang turista diri, malit man na. Di man na lang dili lamang na mo bayad og hotel, mo take og cab o mo take og Uber. Mamalit man na sa
Stay,
condo, kaon, ano bitaw. So, damay gud tanan.
So sa may iba sa Chamber of Commerce boss to support the tourism.
So karon ang we have a very good initiative initiated by Cebu Chamber of Commerce and stakeholders. It's called Project Mango Shake. Wala pa ni namo gipagawa.
Okay.
Initially this morning. Nag-meeting na ni.
Okay.
So we're trying to rebrand Cebu for the world stage. Dili niya ta magsaligod Manila. Why? Because Cebu is right. Why? Because we have a very good shake hand in the guise of Macan International Airport. Nindot ka itong airport.
I agree.
Pwede na mo bypass Manila. They can just go directly to Cebu. No, sumo na ang lipiho na lang good is one, ang public transport na sakay sa cab or sa Grab, maayo pamatasan, humot na bitaw. Fine tuning na lang ba? So yeah, we're also working on 3 key pitches na ato ang gamiton for branding sa Cebu. I cannot tell you but mauning gihimo. Yes, basta na. So the chamber together with HRAC, together with all the stakeholders of tourism bitaw. So we're working hand in hand together. Nga para mo ignite mo balik ang kaning sa chamber nga trade missions nato. Specific kayo ang trade missions sa chamber. For example, may trade mission sa Taiwan. Adto sa Taiwan, we meet the ministers sa tourism, if we want to meet with the minister in agriculture, directed. Direct and targeted yun siya. Na kanang economic, na kanang summit ba. So that's also the good one, the good thing about chamber, because when we want things done, we can really do it.
Wala yung ko from the point of view of the masses, we just see the Chamber of Commerce na event,
Yeah.
mga kuan.
But there's no weight behind
Yes,
that.
exactly. So mas maigan nila kay Browning na naalig pambuhat ng chamber na doesn't rely or not relying on what the government can do,
No,
di ba?
no.
Naayon yung initiative na
As much as
help.
possible, we never do.
Ano,
In fact, more of kami pa yung suporta sa gobyerno.
Oo. Sa side sa mga local businesses, boss, o sa masses, sa public, kung nakita ni mo nga initiative na pwedeng namong mabuhat from our end to help the tourism, sa mga nakita ng imo ba?
Ani Sherry, okay, with all that's going on in our country right now, there's too much noise.
Yes, very.
And if you do not isolate the noise, mabuang yun ka. So what we suggest is that control lang what you can control within your
Community.
surrounding or community. So if for example, let's start it with us lang. Like for example, if we have guests, Bisag, taga Manila lang, taga Davao, or maybe from the country, just be a good ambassador of Cebu.
Okay.
Just be a good person.
It helps.
It helps because if makaingon sila na pag ato na kong Cebu mo, nang lahigyod, welcome kayo po. That feeling sticks around.
Even with the locals?
Yes.
Kay tourism ang yapon
Tourism,
siya. For Cebu.
Yes.
You can stay.
Ginagmay na siya. The
Ginagmay.
things that you can do. Second is clean your surroundings.
Okay. Okay na. Kung saan ang pag-clean surroundings nga, maha ang pag-clean.
Clean your surroundings. Kanang ba, hindi na kami nabot na kayo. That's a higher stake na siya.
Issue na lang.
Issue that's a higher stake. But again, then ako, like here sa Paseo, I control the things that I can control. Because this is mine and jurisdiction.
Yes.
So if I can control the cleanliness, I will.
Para makita sa uban.
Para makita sa uban.
Oo, yes. Sakto ba siya? Sa daghan man ng chapters ang Chamber of Commerce. Dili sa Talisay, anong sa may specific ninyo ng mga kanang ipambuhat na busy with kanang initiatives ba?
The most important yun siguro, boss, is that good relationship that I established with the other chambers in Cebu. Which is in Manila, first time that this happened. Na work together ang different chamber, which is Mactan, Mandaue, Cebu, and Talisay. Why is it important? Because you have to understand whatever happened in Cebu City also happens in Talisay. Whatever happens in Mandaue will happen in Talisay. Okay. So it makes sense that we work together. And the amount of learning that I get from them, because I've always been honest with them. I come from a humble chamber in the sense that my chamber is very new and that my chamber is not as rich as them. Ang Talisay Chamber is SMEs man ta. Sila dito sa Cebu City kay commercial lang yun kayo.
Mandag ko dito.
So, amandag ko. Ito ako si Mandaue nga industrial kayo. Si Mactan.
Tosal.
Utropod. Kana ang resort city man na sila.
Yes.
So ako, I have learned to embrace that kana ang reality that I'm a small chamber. And I gladly learn it from them. Learning so
Consider
much.
it nga small chamber ang sa Talisay chapter.
Na?
Ma-consider day nga small chamber ang yapon.
In economy-wise, kamay mangguta. SMEs manggod ato. Ang 99% of our members are SMEs.
Dili na ma-change in the future boss. Do you see that
Depende.
changing
That's what we're working on sa Talisay Chamber. It's up to the it's up to the LGUs and the policy-making bodies of the city where they want to be 5-10 years from now.
Oh,
Kaya ako, I don't make policy man.
about working closely together with the
Yes. The chamber good works better if we have good relationships with the LGU.
Mm.
Because our quote-unquote programs will not work if it's not supported by the LGU. But of course, we're independent from the LGU.
Mm. Pero, okay.
We can
lang.
work with the LGU good on a lot of things.
Thank you kay boss.
No,
Thank you kay boss. Thank you kay.
Istoryahe Cebu.